Meaning of gigantic.
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 Gigantic. Gigantic means extremely large or huge. It is used to describe something that is much bigger in size compared to what is considered normal or average. This term can be used to describe anything from buildings and statues to creatures or events. The word gigantic conveys a sense of awe and amazement at the sheer scale of something. When we say something is gigantic, we mean that it is impressively big and commands our attention. It's a word that evokes a feeling of grandeur and magnitude, leaving us in wonder and admiration of its immensity.